Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 12.3 question number 7. Simplify these expressions and find their values if x is equal to 3, a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to minus 2. Let us find. The first one is question number 1. Question number 1, you see here the value of x is equal to 3. The value of x is equal to 3, a equal to minus 1, b is equal to minus 2. So question number 1 is 3x minus 5 minus x plus 9, that is equal to 3x minus x minus 5 plus 9. Here you get 3x minus x is 2x minus 5x plus 4, that is plus 4, 2x plus 4. If you put the value of x as 3, then we will get 2 into 3, 2 into 3 plus 4, 2 3 is 6, 6 plus 4, that comes to 10, that is 10. This is the answer of question number 1, right? First one is, the answer is 10. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is, here you see, question number 2 is 2 minus 8x plus 4x plus 4x plus 4, that is equal to minus 8x plus 4x, that is minus 4x and 2 plus 4 is 6, minus 4x plus 6, and the value of x is equal to 3. That will get minus 4 into 3 plus 6 plus 6. Therefore 3 4 is 12, minus 12 plus 6. Therefore get the value as minus 6. This is the answer of question number 2. Minus 6 is the answer of question number 2. Right? Answer of question number 2 is minus 12 plus 6, that is minus 6. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is, question number 3, you see here, question number 3, that is 3a, 3a plus 5 minus 8a 8a plus 1, that is equal to 3a, that is equal to 3a minus 8a plus 5 plus 1, that is equal to 3a minus 8a, that is minus 5a plus 5 plus 1, that is 6, that is equal to minus 5, and the value of a is minus 1, plus 6, that is minus into minus is plus, that is 5 plus 6, 5 plus 6, that is 5 plus 6 is 11. This is the answer of question number 3. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is, question number 4 is 10 minus 3b minus 4 minus 5b. minus 5b, that is equal to 10 minus 3. The value of b is minus 2, minus 2, minus 4, minus 5. The value of b is minus 2, minus 2, right? Therefore it will be 10 minus into minus is plus, plus 6 minus 4 minus into minus is plus 10. Therefore we add all this, 10 plus 10 20 plus 6 26, that is equal to 26 minus 4, 26 minus 4, and that is equal to 26 minus 4 is 22. Therefore the answer is 22. Answer is 22. This is the answer of question number 4, that is 22. Now we'll find, you will directly put the value of b here, right? Or you can simplify also, or simplify it and then again find the value. You can do in that method also, right? In this way, that is 4 minus 10 minus 4, that is 6. In this method you can also do this one, that is here you see, you can simplify it also. That is 10 minus 4 is 6 minus 5b minus 3b minus 8b minus 8b. You can do in this method also, that is 6. It is 6 minus 8, and the value of b is minus 2, that is minus 2. You can do it in this method also, that is 6 and plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 6, that is comes to 22. You can do in this method also. Answer is 22. Both the answers are same, right? Now question number 5. Question number 5 here you see is, question number 5 is 2a minus 2b minus 4 minus 5 plus a that is equal to 2a plus a is 3a minus 2b minus 2b minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9, that is equal to 3. The value of a is minus 1, minus 2 into the value of b is minus 2 minus 9, that is equal to minus 3 minus into minus is plus 4 minus 9, right? That is equal to minus 9 minus 3 is minus 12 plus 4, that the answer is minus 8. Therefore the answer is minus 8. Answer is minus 8. Minus 8 is answer. This is the answer of question number 5, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.